Rahim. So in the last class we have done the coordinate geometry. We have to recall them and then we have to go for the practice session. First of all, we have to understand that what is Cartesian plane. Basically, if you have make x-axis and y-axis, this is the Cartesian plane, and in which we have the coordinates. For example, if you have any point, so each point have a specific coordinate like this. We have 2 and 3. So basically, the first point coordinate, this first number is shows the coordinate of x, and the second number shows the coordinate of y. We have always tried the coordinate in the form of x comma y. Then we have to talk about the midpoint. If you have 2 points, you need to find the midpoint, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and we have done the questions. After that, we have to talk about the gradient, and we have done the two methods that how we can find the gradient of a line. So the first one we had is the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And if examiner is going to be give you the graph, so we have to find the gradient by rise by run. If you're in the graph, you're moving upwards, so it is positive value. If you're moving towards the downward, so it will be negative value. If you are moving on the right side, that is run. And if it is right side, it will be positive value. If you're moving towards the left side, it will be a negative value. Then we have done the questions in which we have to find the gradient by using the graph as well as by using the if examiner give you the 2 points. Then the length of the line or the distance formula. For example, you have 2 points, you need to find the distance between them. So we have the formula that root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and we have done the example. Now the main things, that is the equation of a straight line. The standard form for the equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient of the line and c is the y-intercept. We already learned that how to find the gradient. We have done the two methods. The y-intercept is basically the point where the line cut the y-axis. Look at here. At this point, the red line cut the y-axis. So this point is basically the y-intercept. And this is the point where the line cut the x-axis. This is known as the x-intercept. However, in the standard form, you can easily, the constant value basically represent you the y-intercept value. Then we have done some examples. We have write the equation to the standard form and find the gradient and y-intercepts from there. And then we have discussed the different types of equation. After that, we have done the two main cases. If you have the two lines and he says that they are parallel, so always remember, if you have two lines and they are parallel, so then they have the same gradient. Like for example, for this line and this the line L1 and L2 are parallel. If the gradient of the first line is 4, so then the gradient of the second line will be 4 as well. Why? Because they are parallel, so they have so the relation between them is they are same. Now, the next one, we have done the question that in which examiner gives you the information about parallel lines, and we have to utilize that information to find the equation of a line. Then the perpendicular lines. So if you have two lines and they are perpendicular and we need to find the gradient. So the gradient of the one line is basically the negative reciprocal of the other one. For example, if you have the gradient of the one line is 2, so the other line will be negative 1 over 2. If the gradient of the one line is 4 over 5, so reciprocal 5 over 4 and with negative sign. And if it is negative, so it will become positive with reciprocal 2 over 3. And in the same way, we have done the question in which we have to utilize the property, because examiner says that it is perpendicular to the line. So we have to utilize this information or this fact to find the equation of a line that is perpendicular. After that, we have discussed about the line if you have perpendicular bisector. I told you the perpendicular is means if they are making a 90-degree angle, and bisector means it divides a line into two equal parts. Or in other words, you can say that the line must be passes from the midpoint of AB. And then we have to utilize that information and we have to find the line of bisector. These are all the things that we have done in the last class. Now in today's class, we are going to do the topical questions and try to get a firm grip on this topic. Now we have a question number 1. It says that The line L passes through the point 10, 0, means this one, and 0, 8, this one. As shown in the diagram, find the gradient of the line. So it's simple. We need to be find the gradient of the line. So graph is given. We can do it by rise by run. So look at here. It will be positive 8 minus 8. It will be
Positive 8.
minus
No,
8
it would be minus 8.
because we are moving downwards. Yes, Afan.
Yeah.
If we are Afan, if you are moving towards the right side, so it will be positive 10 or negative 10.
Positive 10.
It will be positive 10. So we know that the gradient is equal to rise by run. So that will be equal to minus 8 divided by 10. So it will be minus 4 over 5. And for example, if you want to find the gradient, you want to find the gradient with the help of the formula. So we know these are the points is given. So we can find it by rise by y2 minus y1. So 8 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 10. So that will be 4 over 8 over minus 10. That will be minus 4 over 5. You will get the same thing. We have to find the gradient by using the rise by run. And here we have to find the gradient by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now,
Yes.
write down the equation of the line that is parallel to L. If it is parallel to L, means we have the same gradient to y is equal to minus 4 over,
5.
but it is passes from the origin. It is
So
passes
it will
from
have
the,
no y-intercept?
so y-intercept is
0.
0. So the equation will become y is equal to minus 4 over 5x plus
Plus c.
0.
Oh, 0.
Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No, no,
So y is equal to minus 4 over 5x, and that's it. In the next part, he says that find the equation of the line that is parallel to L, means the same gradient, minus 4 over 5, and passes through the point 3, 1. So we will get the equation y is equal to minus 4 over 5x plus c, because we don't know what is the y-intercept. But the information is given. He says that this line is passes from the point 3, 1.
Hmm.
So at 3, 1, y value is 1 minus 4 over 5. It is 3 plus c. So it will be 4 times 3 is 12 minus 12 over 5. On the side will be plus 12 over 5.
5.
So that will be 5 times 1 is 5 plus 12. It will be 17 over 5. So my equation will become minus 4 over 5x plus 17 over 5. Yes, everyone. Any doubt in the question number 1?
No.
No, sir.
no, sir.
Yes, Afan, Ruba. Okay.
No, sir.
The straight line passes through the 2 points with the coordinates 6, 8 and 0, 5. Work out the equation of a line. So we have 2 points. We need to find the equation of a line. We know that the standard form. Yes, Ruba, what is the standard form of the equation of straight line? Yes, Ruba, what is the standard form of equation of straight line?
Sir, this is actually very confusing for me, so I don't know.
Okay. Yes, Zil, what is the standard form of equation of straight line?
Y equals to mx plus c.
Y is equal to mx plus c. Always remember the standard form of equation of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. Yes, Hanana, tell me how we can find the gradient.
Oh, by using the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
All right, so you have to give the name, the points x1, y1, x2, y2. So find it. That will be 5 minus 8 and 0 minus 6. So minus 3 over minus 6.
1/2, sir.
It will be
0.5.
1 over
Yeah.
2. So yes, Afan, the equation will become
Y is equal to 1 over 2
1 over 2x plus.
x plus c.
So yes, Abhiha, how we can find the y-intercept?
Uh,
Yes, Zil.
Sir, we can substitute any coordinate into the values.
Yes, look at here, the points are given. You have to substitute it here because line is passes from there. So you can substitute the point 6 comma 8 here, or you can substitute 0 comma 5.
Yeah.
However, it is directly given the y-intercept. But still, if you want to do it, you can do it at 0
Okay.
at 0 comma 5. So y is 5, x is 0. So you will get c is equal to, because
5.
1 over 2 multiplied by 0, it is 0. So
Hmm.
we'll get that c is equal to
5.
5. Yes, Abhiha, equation will become
the equation will become 1 over 2 x plus 5.
plus 5.
Yes.
Yes, anyone having a doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Question number 3, he says that the distance between the point A and B, in this point, the distance is 7 units. Write down the equation of the line through B, which is parallel to y is equal to 2x plus 3. Means these two lines are parallel. So if the gradient of this line is 2, what is the gradient of this line?
2.
2.
That is 2s. Well, I'm not sure about the y-intercept, but I'm pretty sure the gradient is 2. He says that we need to find the equation of the line that is passes from the B. Now, one information is given. He says that the distance between the point A and B is 7 units.
7.
Anyone have the idea how to find the y-intercept of B point?
Sir,
Of the B line?
midpoint? No.
No. Any other one?
No, sir.
Can anyone tell me how to find the y-intercept of y is equal to 2x plus 3?
Sir, make the intercept the subject.
How to find the y-intercept of this equation? What is the y-intercept of this equation? Can you know this value?
Yeah.
What it is?
Plus 3.
Yes. What this value? Because this value shows the y-intercept.
Y-intercept.
This means that this value must be passes from 3. Yes, everyone. All of you, it is
So,
clear?
sir, we go 7 units down 3.
Yes. Yes, Abdul Rahim, Abubakar, Hanana, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because this line is the y-intercept of this line is 3, so this means that this line cut the y-axis at 3, and the distance between A and B is 7 units, so we'll go 7 units down.
So 3 minus 7, which is negative 4.
So it will be 3
Negative 4.
minus 7. It will be negative 4, means this point is negative 4.
Negative 4.
So equation will become y is equal to 2x, because the same gradient,
Yeah.
and the y-intercept we have find that is minus 4.
Minus 4.
Yes. Anyone having a doubt about the A part?
No.
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
sir.
No.
Now he says that find the coordinate of the point C where the line cross the x-axis.
So we will make
This-
X a subject.
No, we need to find the point where it cross the x-axis. So can anyone tell me what is the value of y on the x-axis?
0.
Okay, yes, any other one? What is the
Oh,
value of y on the x-axis? Yes, Ayman.
Sir, we will take midpoint.
Yes, Zil, you are right. On the x-axis, you have y is equal to 0, and on the y-axis, basically, you have x is equal to 0. Okay. So I need to be find the x-intercept. I told you in the previous class. If you want to find x-intercept, put y is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 4. We are substituting y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 2x minus 4. It is minus 4, on the other side will be plus 4. 2 is multiplying, it will be divide.
So 2.
So we'll get x is equal to 2. But we will get only the x coordinate. We
Yeah.
need to be find the y coordinate, and obviously we know that the y coordinate is
0.
0. Yes, Abdul Rahim, Afan, Ruba.
Sorry, can you repeat it because my net is really bad, so like I didn't really got to hear you.
Here we are finding the x-intercept, okay? And I told you on the x-intercept, basically we have y is equal to 0. All right, Abhiya?
Okay, sir.
So in this equation, we are substituting y is equal to 0. We will get that 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we will get the value of x is 2. So we'll get the point 2 comma 0. That is basically your x-intercept. For example, if he says that you have to find the x-intercept of this point, we have y is equal to 2x plus 3. So we'll substitute 0. It is plus 3. It will become minus 3. And 2 is multiplying. It will be divide. So this point is basically minus 3 over 2. However, he did not find it. He did not say that to find it. I'm just telling you, if you need to find the x-intercept, so you have to substitute y is equal to 0. And if you need to find the y-intercept, you have to substitute x is equal to 0.
Oh, okay.
Next, he says that find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line joining the points A and B. Yes, Ruba, you have remember the formula for the midpoint?
Yes, sir. Was it the y equals mx?
No,
Um,
midpoint.
I don't remember. Was it the x1 plus x2 over oh no, sir. I don't remember.
X1 plus x2 over 2 plus y1 plus y2 over
Over 2?
2.
Okay.
All right, this is the formula. So let's substitute the value, please. Yes, Ruba, substitute the value into the formula. What is the
Sorry. Sorry. So we're gonna take 2,
2?
2 plus 6 over 2,
Okay,
and I take minus 5 plus 9 over 2.
so the final answer is 2 plus 6, 8, 8 over 2,
8 over 2.
4.
Okay, and then it's gonna be
9 minus 5, 4. 4 over 2,
4 over 2, so it's gonna be 2.
2. Next, he says that find the length of the line joining the points a minus 4 comma 8 and minus 1 comma 4. Yes, Abhiya, what is the formula for the distance?
Sir.
Sorry,
Sorry.
what is the formula to find the length of a line? All of you, when before you have to join the practice session, you have to be remember all the formulas with understanding. Okay. Yes, any other one? What is the distance formula? Yes, anyone? What is the distance formula? Anana?
Sir, is the distance formula. Wait, can you hear me?
Yes.
it's x2 minus x1 whole square, and then plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yes. You have to find the distance between any 2 points or the length between any 2 points. This formula is y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square root. So let's substitute the value. Let's say this is point x1, y1, it is x2, y2. So 4 minus 1 minus into minus 4 minus 1 minus into minus 4 bracket square plus y2 minus y1, so 4 minus into minus 4 minus into minus 4 whole square. So that will be equal to minus times minus is plus, so it will be minus 1 plus 4 square minus times minus is plus, so 4 plus 4 square. So that will be 3 square, it will be 9. 4 plus 4, it is 8. 8 square is 64. So the final answer will be root 73, or you can write your answer into the decimal form as well. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
Now we have a next question. He says that the line y is equal to mx plus c is parallel to the line y is equal to 2x plus 4. These two lines are parallel. This line is parallel to this one. This means that the gradient of this line would be same. Means the gradient of this line must be 2x as well. Yes, Hanana. We need to find the y-intercept. Means we need to find this point. How we can find it?
By rearranging the formula,
Which formula?
y equals to 2x plus c.
Yeah, but we don't have any point on this line. We need, by using any information, we need to find the coordinate of b.
Well,
Now
we
look
have
at
6.
So do we use
it
rise
is
over run?
it is a 6 units now. Because you don't know what is length. You don't have the idea of this length. The distance between A and B is given, that is 6 units. But you don't have the idea about this. Look at here. First of all, we are going to be try to find the point A. Can anyone tell me how we can find the coordinates of point A? Anyone?
So it's not rise over run, right?
No. The equation is given. We need to find the coordinates of A. Yes, how to find it? Yeah. Yes, Anana.
Can we use like substitute x as 0?
Yes. We need to find the x-axis. We substitute y is equal to 0. For the x-intercept, we have to substitute x0. For the y-intercept, we have to substitute. Sorry, for y-intercept, we have to substitute x0, and for x-intercept, we have to substitute y0. Because on the x-axis, the y value is 0, and on the y-axis, we have x value is 0. So I need a point, so means we need to find the x-intercept. So we are going to substitute in the equation y is equal to 2x plus 4. We'll substitute y is equal to 0. So we'll get the equation 0 is equal to 2x plus 4. It is minus 4 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to minus 4 over 2, it will be minus 2. So means we will get that this point is minus 2. Yes, everyone, what is the value of this point? Yes, anyone?
Sir, is it -2 only?
-1?
No, -2.
-2, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see the am I writing? Yes, everyone, can you see the writing?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Because I already write -2, so why you're saying again -2? What is the coordinate of the point B? Look at here, the distance between the point A and B is 6 units. So if it is -2, what will be
4.
this point? Yes, 2 plus 6, that will be 4. And this point is 4 comma 0. So look at here, we have the line and we will get the point. We have the gradient and we have the point. So now we can easily find the equation. We have y is equal to 2x plus c. Always remember, to find the equation of a straight line, you need the gradient and you need one point. So basically we have to do all of these things to get the value of the point B. So let's substitute the value. So at 4 comma 0, we have y is 0, x is 4 plus c. 4 times 2 is 8. On the other side will be -8. So we will get the equation. Okay, we don't need to find the equation. He says that you have to just find the value of m and c. So the value of the m is 2 because it is parallel, so same gradient. And the value of c is -8. Yes, everyone. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to repeat this question. He says that you have equation y is equal to 2x plus 4. There is another line that is parallel to this one, and both are having a x-intercept is a and b. Now he gives you the information that the distance between a and b is 6 units. Always remember, if examiner you have the equation of a line, you can easily find the x-intercept, you can easily find the y-intercept. If you need the x-intercept, substitute y is equal to 0. And if you need to find the y-intercept, substitute x is equal to 0. So you will get, for example, if I need to find this value, in this equation, I will substitute x is equal to 0. Get the value of y is 4, means this value is 4. Okay. Now, the distance between these 2 points is 6. So if it is -2, so this point will be positive 4, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we will get the gradient, that is -8. Sorry, the 2. To find the y-intercept, we have to substitute this point in the equation. We will get the c value, that is -8, means this is the value, that is -8. Now we have the next question. He says that find the point 2 comma 5, 3 comma 3, and k comma 1 lie on a straight line. Okay, if they lie on a straight line, what is the same thing?
Y is 0.
Now, if there are points, they are lie on a straight line. What is the common thing between the 2 points?
They have the same gradient.
Same gradient. They have same gradient because on the straight line we have the same gradient. Look at here. If you're moving from 2 to 3, what you are doing? +1.
+1.
And on the other hand, if you have to move from 5 to 3, it is
-1.
-2. Again, 3 to
Oh,
1, it is -2. So if you have to move from 3 to k, what you will do?
Add 1.
Add 1. So 3 plus 1, it will become
4.
4. That is the value of k. Now he says that you have to find the equation of a line. For equation of a line, you need any 2 points. So we have 3 points here. So you can choose, let's say I choose 2, 5 and 3, 3. So first of all, I need to find the gradient. So gradient will be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, these are the points, give the name x1, y1, x2, y2. So it will be 3 minus 5 divided by 3 minus 2. So we'll get the gradient minus 2 over 1. So that will be minus 2. Now we will get the gradient. So equation will become y is equal to minus 2x plus c. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
Sir.
Now,
No, sir.
we need to find the y-intercept, so you have to utilize any point. You can choose 2, 5 or 3, 3. So let's add 2, 5. The y value is 5 minus 2. X value is 2 plus c. 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4 minus 4. On the other side will be plus 4. So we'll get that c is equal to 9. So we'll get the equation of a line that y is equal to minus 2x plus 9. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
All right, let's move on. All right. The line y is equal to 4. I told you the y is equal to 4 is basically a horizontal line. This is the line is equal to 4. Meet the line 2x plus y at A. So they are going to meet at this point. Find the coordinate of A. We need to find this. So it's very simple. It is y is equal to 4. So substitute it here. We have 2x plus 4 is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 over 2 it is 2. This means that the coordinate of this point of x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is already 4. So means it is 2, 4. They are meeting at this point. So I just solve it. We have to substitute this value, solve simultaneously. Substitute the value of 4. We will get the x coordinate and y coordinate we already have. So we'll get the coordinate for the point A, that is 2, 4. Yes, anyone having a question till here?
No.
No, sir.
Yes, Afan.
No, sir.
No, sir.
The line 3x plus y is equal to 18. 3x plus y is equal to 18. This one. Meet the axis at the point B. X-axis. So what is the y value on the x-axis? What is the value of y on the x-axis?
Y is equal to 0.
Y is equal to 0. So I'm not sure about the x coordinate, but I'm pretty sure the y coordinate is 0 because in the x-axis we need to find the y coordinate. Okay, so what we will do, we have to substitute y is equal to 0. So 3x plus 0 is equal to 18. Now 3 is multiplying, on the other side will be divide. So we'll get that x is equal to 6. So 6, 0. So the coordinate of the B point is 6, 0. Yes, anyone having a question how to find the coordinate of A and
No,
B?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, In the next part, he says that find the coordinate of the midpoint of M, the line joining AB. Okay, there is a line that join AB. You need to find the midpoint. So simply, we have the coordinates of A, we have the coordinates of B. So we have to find the midpoint. So 2 plus 6 divided by the formula for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the x values are 2 plus 6 divided by 2 and 4 comma 0 divided by 2. 2 plus 6 8, 8 over 2 4, 4 over 2 2. So the midpoint will be 4 comma 2. Means we will get the point 4 comma 2. Means this x point is 4 and y point is 2. Yes, anyone having a question about till here?
No, sir.
Now the last part is
No, sir.
interesting. He says that find the equation of a line through M, means it is passes through the M point. It is passes from
So it's
4 commas
perpendicular.
to no passes from here parallel to 3x plus y is equal to 18. Parallel to this one. It means that the equation of the line that we need to be find, and in this line having the same gradient. So to find the gradient, we need to be write this equation first of all into the standard form. The standard form is y is equal to mx plus c.
C.
So I just take this 3x on the other side. We'll get y is equal to minus 3x plus
C.
18.
Sorry, 18.
So the gradient of this line is,
-3.
so the equation that we need to be find, that equation having a gradient is minus 3 as well,
Yeah.
because we have same
Parallel.
gradient because they are parallel. Because the
Okay.
lines are parallel, I told you if the lines are parallel, so they have the same gradient.
But sir, doesn't that have like +3 gradient?
Y positive 3.
Like parallel to 3x plus y. So that's positive.
No, you have to convert the equation to the standard form first. In this format,
Okay. Okay.
so that's why you have to take 3x on the other side first.
Okay. Okay.
Now we will get the gradient, and he says that it is passes from M, means this line is passes from 4 comma. So we have the equation y is equal to minus 3x plus c. So at 4 comma 2, because it is given that the line is passes from M, and M is the point 4 comma 2. So we have y is 2 is equal to minus 3 into 4 plus c. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 12. On the other side will be plus 12. So c is equal to 14. So equation I'm going to be get y is equal to minus 3x plus 14. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So this is all about the coordinate geometry.